G'day guys. If these Priuses have an old battery in them, you can get the engine to run by putting the aircon on and having the headlights on. But to activate maintenance mode, to check your CVT oil when you replace it, what you do is put the power on, in park, pump the gas twice, put it into neutral, pump the gas twice, put it into park, pump the gas twice, and you go into maintenance mode. This allows you now to start the engine, lift the vehicle up and check your CVT oil, and perform maybe other operations that you want to perform, like checking coolant temperatures and stuff like that. We have had this car since new. It's had one hybrid battery at Toyota and a couple of little ones, and maybe a set of brake pads, air filters, cabin filters, and wipers. Amazing car. And I just spent some time driving it with the customer. You feel the weight, but it is just amazing what they did back then, and it's still reliable till today. One $5,000 battery pack, 166,000 Ks. Anyway, that's maintenance mode. Once you turn the car off, it'll disappear. It'll reset. So there's no procedure to turn it off. Toyota advisors, do not drive the car in maintenance mode. Do not drive the car in maintenance mode or damage may occur.